Put the foot down and just go ahead and turn that material. There you go. Bring it back in. Lock it down. There you go. Turn that material. You're not turning enough, yeah.
You're trying, when you're saying turn it in, you want it to turn in so that foot, when it starts walking, will catch back up?
Correct. It's going to catch right back because you're wanting to keep it on that line right there.
Yeah.
So your line is as steady as possible.
Yeah, sure. It's the hardest fucking thing too sometimes.
Oh yeah. You've never had to sew on a non-servo.
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what it's all about. You got the first front seam going in by, I mean, he's a master fabricator, let's be honest, and all you trimmers better be getting scared because once he gets this down, we're all in trouble.